In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify an trade account. This process is essential for ensuring your account is fully operational and complies with financial regulations. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to sign in or open your account on the official trade website. If you're opening a new account, you'll need to complete the online application. This requires your full legal name, date of birth, social security number, or another tax ID, residential address, and contact information. These details are crucial because they help trade verify your identity under regulatory requirements. Once you have entered all the necessary information, you can proceed to the next step. Now, let's move on to electronic verification. In many instances, trade can verify your identity automatically using the information you've provided. This process is designed to be fast and efficient, often completing within minutes. Having accurate information here is important because it streamlines the verification process, allowing you to access your account features more quickly. However, if the automatic verification is unsuccessful, don't worry. Trade may request additional documents to confirm your identity. This can include a government-issued photo ID like a driver's license or passport and proof of address such as a utility bill or bank statement. Upload these documents through eTrade's secure document upload system. Make sure the images are clear and legible. This step is vital because it ensures the accuracy and security of your verification. Next up, you'll need to verify your phone number. Trade uses two-step verification to enhance account security. You may receive a verification code via text message or phone call when signing in from a new device. Ensure the phone number on file is up to date. This step helps protect your account from unauthorized access, adding an extra layer of security. With all that ready, it's time to wait for approval. Most accounts are approved within a few business days. However, sometimes additional reviews are necessary, which might take longer. Trade will typically keep you informed with updates via email, so keep an eye on your inbox. Patience is key here, as this step ensures that all the verification processes have been completed accurately. By following these steps, you ensure that your Trade account is verified and ready to use. Remember, identity verification is not just a formality, it is a critical component of account security and regulatory compliance. This process safeguards both you and the financial institutions involved. Understanding and completing these steps thoroughly can save you time and potential issues in the future. Now that you've gone through the verification process, you can fully enjoy the features and benefits of your Trade account. Feel confident in knowing that your account is secure and compliant with necessary regulations. If you encounter any issues, eTrade's customer support is always available to assist you. And that wraps up our guide on verifying your Trade account. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.